This video is going to be on neutrophil left shifts, and I have the neutrophil maturation sequence shown here to help explain what a left shift is. So under normal conditions, the neutrophil precursor, so myeloblast through band neutrophil, resides within the bone marrow, and then they develop into a segmented neutrophil, which hangs out in the storage pool for a bit and then is released into peripheral blood. So during normal non-inflammatory conditions, in the blood you should only see segmented neutrophils. However, if there's increased numbers of band neutrophils or earlier stages, neutrophilic metamyelocyte all the way back to myeloblast, that is considered a left shift. Left shift is also known as a shift towards immaturity. There are two types of left shifts. There's a degenerative left shift and a regenerative left shift. And first I'll explain what a degenerative left shift is. So degenerate left shift is when you have immature neutrophils greater than segmented neutrophils in peripheral blood, or if you have a neutropenia with a left shift. So what is the significance of a degenerative left shift? Well, it's typically seen with severe inflammation, where the bone marrow is being overwhelmed by the inflammation that's present in the tissues. So essentially, the bone marrow can't keep up neutrophil production to meet the demand of neutrophils in the tissues. And we typically see that with sepsis or severe infections. A degenerative left shift is also used for prognosis. So usually animals that have a degenerative left shift at presentation do poorer than those that don't, and animals that have an improved left shift, so they get rid of their degenerative left shift while they're in the hospital, do better than those that continue to have a degenerative left shift over time. So now going over to our regenerative left shift, that is when there's a neutrophilia with a left shift. And this is considered an appropriate bone marrow response to inflammation out in the tissues. So there you have it. The left shift is when there's increased numbers of immature forms in blood. There's a degenerative left shift when there's too many immature neutrophils compared to segmented neutrophils. And a regenerative left shift is when there's a neutrophilia with a left shift.